I figured out a way that you could use AI to create some wicked content for yourself and give yourself some ideas by repurposing experts. You know, people who you look up to. Maybe it's Jim Rohn, Les Brown, Alex Hormozi, Tony Robbins. Doesn't matter who it is. I got this really cool trick on what to do. So with Descript it's kind of like an AI. You know, it does a lot of stuff for you with AI. It transcribes your audios, and it's been a game changer for me because what I like to do is when I write a blog post, you know, I get inspired for the first 500 words, and then I kind of lose steam, lose gas, and then I slow down, and then it becomes a draft, and it stays a draft. But what I like to do is I like to take this mic right here, and I like to just record my thoughts. And by that time, if I record my thoughts, I'll have a whole blog post simply by recording the audio through this mic. And then I give this audio to Descript, and it descripts the whole, it transcribes the whole video, like everything that is being said in the video. And then I'm able to make a quick YouTube video like that and repurpose the content. I could copy and paste what I said and put it into a blog post. And literally this trick alone saved me so much and helped me be more productive when it comes to my writing and my blogs, is because I enjoy just talking like this on a mic, and it's easy for me to put out ideas like this on a mic. And now I have content that I could use, repurpose, and put through everywhere else. But you know, you got this video by Alex Hormozi. Here's the original video. It's how to get so rich you question the meaning of making money. And I went through half hour of it, basically more than half of it. And there's a lot of good gems in here that, hey, I would like to take some of those ideas that I've learned in this video and create my own YouTube videos around it. Now, here's the cool thing. You could see where it spikes. And so right here is the most replayed part of it. Why not? And this thing has 4 million views. Why not take the most replayed, especially if it's around your niche, like the idea that your YouTube channel is about? And so look for the videos that got the most views within your niche, and look for the spikes. You know, to say, okay, I can make a video about what's being talked about here because it's showing out of 4 million people, this is the most replayed part of the video. And now what you could do is you could take it to Descript, and here it is. What I like to do, and I'm sure there's a better way. I'm just learning kind of how to do all this. And you are gonna get my thoughts as we go here. I'm putting it all into a new Google document. And so let me paste that in. So this is the whole documentation of everything that he said in that video that got 4 million views. So these words are worth 4 million views, you know. But also at the same time, he built a following of loyal people. So there's all of that we need to come into play. But a lot of this was good information that people really, really loved. So I'm going to put Alex here. And what I'm going to do is just download this as a document. So download, and it's called Alex. And now what I want to do is go to ChatGPT, and I want to say, actually, you know, I created specific bots. And if you didn't know this, you can create bots that work for you. So I got one that helps me with YouTube, creating YouTube shorts, one that helps me write and win grants, how to create a YouTube blog script. So basically taking my blog and turning it into a script. This is the one I'll probably work on and say a few things. Let me show you the prompt that I'll say. Hey, I got this awesome Google Doc that has a lot of great information in it, where we can take big ideas and turn them into multiple blog posts. So let me just show you what I would do with blogging, because what I do is I create a blog, So I'll upload this, upload from computer, look for that Alex document, wait for it to upload. There it is, uploaded. Boom. And now it's going to go from this this amazing video, YouTube video that Alex did, 4 million views, really good information, and it's giving me ideas on different blog posts based on the information from that video. Isn't that crazy? And so I could create 4 amazing blog posts from here, and then when I'm done, I go to YouTube blog script, which is right here. So actually what I should have did was, let me take this and go to the perfect blogger. This helps me create blogs, and then I'll do the same thing. Okay. All right, and then upload it here, because what we're gonna do is, after we're done the blogs, we want to come to YouTube blog script, is what I created, and turn these blog posts that we'll create into YouTube videos as well. So now we have a YouTube video. Regenerate. If that happens, that's fine. But what a hack this is. I don't know. I feel like this is a deadly breakthrough, and an amazing breakthrough on being how to create amazing content and everything. So this document uploaded is rich insights, anecdotes, and strategies for achieving financial success with strong emphasis on leverage, focus, and power of compounding effects. Would you like me to distill a specific section, pull out blog ideas for broader topics, create a series of structured blog posts based on the content? Let me know your goals, and I'll craft something compelling. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to take the big ideas around one topic that is focused from this document, and take the ideas and benefits he explains for that big idea, and turn them into a powerful blog post based on our programming. So I programmed this bot to write a blog in a certain way that I like. I'm sure we can get multiple blogs from this document. So it's gonna do its thing. So here's the big ideas: the power of leverage in business and life, the importance of focus for success, the myth of passive income, better is boring but profitable, the stages of optimism, and the valley of despair. So these are the big ideas that it took for me. And now let's go and let's create a blog from number 1, which is this one. Number 1, the power of leverage in business and life. So here we go. Great choice. Headline: how to achieve extraordinary success without working harder. Hook: do you ever feel like no matter how many hours you put in, you're barely making progress? You tried grinding, you've worked endless days and nights, and yet the success you dream of seems just out of reach. Here's the shocking truth: working harder isn't the answer. The secret to skyrocketing your success isn't about effort, it's about leverage. Understanding and applying leverage can multiply your results, free your time, give you unfair advantage in business and life. In this post, I'll reveal how leverage works, why it outperforms effort every time, and how you can harness the power starting today. There you go. And then it just tells you, a quick story. The big idea is leverage. 3 secrets to harnessing power of leverage: technology, build a team, focus on high level activities, conclusion, call to action. There it is. It's like from this document, from this YouTube video of all the nuggets that he said, now I can repurpose what he said and take the big ideas from it and create a blog, a post. And once I publish this blog post, I take it to YouTube blog script, and it creates a script for me for YouTube that tells the same idea, same story. and now we're creating powerful, awesome content. Hopefully this helps you on how to use AI for your YouTube, for your blog, and to absolutely blow up your channel with some amazing content, leveraging off of, great, people who are creating crazy results in their lives. Now we could help share that knowledge with the world and reap the benefits from it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe.